Gracie's got mitten hands.
Lotion on.
How you get them off?
What do you do? Says you cross them, stick them out, and you look at mommy and say, please.
Hey, that's a good idea. You bite it off?
Oh, so close.
You got part of it. That's another good method.
Are you trying to hold it against your face while you pull? Hey, Mom, put lotion on your belly.
She says, well, I can't stop you, can I? I got no hands.
You're so pale.
Come on, mitten hands. What you got? You can do it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it, shake. Instead of shake, shake, shake. Shake it, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Bite it. Bite it. Bite it. It was barely on there. You could have gotten that, silly.
Mommy got it.
You get that one? Oh, now you got a free hand. It's easy.
You did it.
Easy, easy.
You're free.